Alright, let's take a little bit of time to look at the setup of this lathe. There's a DRO, digital readout, and we're going to be using that to determine our position in X, which is in this direction, and Y, which is in this direction. The DRO reads X as a diameter, not a radius, I'm pretty sure, so we'll take that into account. Here are the gear selectors for the rotational speed of the head chuck on the lathe. And we have it set, you can see we can use this to select between these different ratios. We have it set here and here, and so that is a setting of 770 RPMs. Alright, now down here is the selection for the automatic feed, which we will be using. And we have a setting of B right here, D right here, E right here, and 4 here. So we look at for those combinations. And here we have a combination of B and E. So now we're looking for D and 4. D4 is there. So that gives us 1.2 thousandths feed per revolution. Alright, so I have a piece of brass in there, and currently in Y we are at 0. I'm going to come out in X a little bit and move in Y to about 100 thousandths. So right about there. I'm at 100 thousandths, fairly close. Now I'm going to turn the lathe on, and I'm going to touch off to set X. Alright, there is X0, so I can go ahead and set that. And now I'm going to engage the automatic feed. Alright, we face this to the center. I'm going to disengage the automatic feed. And I'm going to back out. Until up here, I'm reading fairly close to 200 thousandths. Now that is 200 thousandths in a diameter. So looking at it radially, I'll be taking off 100 thousandths. And I'll engage the automatic feed in the Y direction.